Alright guys, we are reviewing the SoundAsleep. This is the air mattress. So it came in a small little box. Let's go ahead and unbox this and show you guys what it looks like. So it came in this little bag. Just a little bag that actually we'll see. Alright, just a little bag. Alright, so gives us a little instructions on inflating and deflating. This is it. So it's very, very stiff right now. We're going to go ahead and plug it in and inflate it. But it's extremely stiff how it is right now. Okay, so it looks smaller when it's not inflated yet. So we got it plugged in. Hopefully it's bigger once we inflate it. This is the Twin XL. It's definitely pretty quick filling up. Alright, so it's definitely long enough and wide enough. As it inflates, it gets bigger. The key is to not over-inflate it. You want it tight, but you don't want it too tight. That's how people get holes in it. Okay, so I like it. I think having a little less air in actually is good. It's good to sag a little bit when you sit and lay on it because it's not as stiff. Now that's just my personal preference. We'll have to see. When you have less air on it, you do want to roll to the side more, so we'll have to see. But overall, it's nice. I like it. Yeah, inflated good though. Very quick.